Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to generate captions using AI for your short form videos such as Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. This method is very easy and takes very little time, so make sure you watch it till the very end. Let's get started. First, click on the first link provided in the description, which will direct you to an AI tool called Submagic. This AI tool will be used to automatically generate captions. Now, on this website, click on Create My Video Now and then log in with your Google account. You can log in using any of your Gmail accounts or create a new Gmail account for using this AI tool. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a page that says Create Your Video. Click here, and you can choose the video for which you want to generate captions. I am selecting a random video here for generating captions. After selecting the video, you can optionally rename the video file. Then, select the language of the video. You can see that there are multiple languages available, so you can generate captions for videos in these available languages. Since the video is in English, I am selecting English here. After selecting the language, click on Upload. Depending on the length of the video and your internet connectivity, it will take some time to upload. Now that the video has been uploaded, you can see that the captions are being generated. Within a minute, we have successfully generated captions for our video. Here, you can see the timestamps as well as the captions. I will play the video to show you how great the captions are.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Whew.
So he had to borrow it from someone else who was strapped to ropes.
In case you find any minor mistakes in the captions, you can click to edit them. You can also add emojis to the captions from here. As you can see, the emoji has been added. You can also make custom changes by clicking on the design option available here. You can change the theme of the text, as there are multiple options available. You can choose any theme that you feel is suitable for the video. You can also use a custom theme. For now, we will select one of these themes. You can also change the size of the text from here and adjust its position accordingly. You can further customize the themes by clicking on the Customize option available. As you can see, there are many more options for customization, such as font, size, color, casing, and more. You can also adjust the shadow that appears behind the text. There is also this amazing feature called description. If you click on it, this amazing tool will analyze your video and generate a description using AI. So, basically, you can accomplish two tasks at once using a single AI tool. After completing the captions part, click on the Save option here to save your video as a project. Now, click on Export, and as you can see, there is a charge for exporting the video. However, I will provide you with a coupon code that will give you a great discount, allowing you to generate captions for unlimited videos. As you can see, the basic plan is $16, and it allows you to generate captions for only 20 videos, with a maximum video length of 90 seconds. Now, if you do some mathematics here, purchasing the Pro plan, which is worth $40, is a better option. With the Pro plan, you can generate captions for unlimited videos, and the video length can be up to 180 seconds. So, instead of generating captions for 60 videos by paying $48, you can get captions for unlimited videos by paying $40. Moreover, the Pro plan offers a better upload speed. If you were to hire a freelancer for the job of writing captions, you would find that you'd pay a similar price for captions for just a single video. Therefore, it is more cost-effective to use this AI tool and get unlimited captions for a very reasonable price. I highly recommend opting for the Pro plan. So, click here on Pay Now, and it will redirect you to the payment page where you can purchase the yearly plan. Here on the payment page, you can see the option to add the promo code. Click on this option and enter the promo code WBExplainer. This will give you a 10% discount, reducing the cost by $48, which is almost equivalent to 3 extra months of the basic plan or 1 month of the Pro plan. After this, you can enter your payment details and proceed with the payment. Then, you will be able to export the video. Now, you can successfully create captions for unlimited videos and grow across various platforms with short-form content, such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, etc. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful AI-related videos. Thank you for watching.